Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, May 31st, and it is currently 5:18 a.m. So we'll be leaving here in about 10 minutes or so, but I just got ready for our day to Cambridge, and you best believe I'm gonna put on my AirPods and go to sleep on the train ride. So, yeah. I need coffee and food, which luckily we get that after the train ride. We'll stop for about 30 minutes, and yeah, I know I'm getting food and coffee because I know I need it, and I'm pretty sure most of our group is doing that as well. But anyways, I will be back later with more updates and hopefully more footage.
Go to Cambridge, they said.
It'll be fun.
The chapel itself, your feet, is 88 feet high and 289
city kind of embrace both the history and, the scientific achievements.
Well, I think the scientific achievements is what Cambridge is known for today, and it is amazing how it has
Merde.
My bad, Roy. I know your foot was there. That's on me.
Fix yourself.
Hello everyone, we made it back to the dorms safely, and I'm beginning to edit some vlogs now. I'm obviously not gonna get to all of it today, and I'm probably thinking of doing, I want to do week-long vlogs, so it's like the 3-4 weeks we're here, but looking at the footage, we do a lot in a day, so I'm guessing I might be going back to daily vlogs, which is gonna be very tedious, but bear with me, it'll all be released soon. But yeah, that is all that I have for today. Obviously you can tell we had quite the day in Cambridge. It was very windy and rainy, which made for some challenges, but honestly it is already 11:15, and I know me, I've been going on about 18 hours now, so yeah, woke up at 5 a.m. It's now 11:15, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you all tomorrow for our weekend in London.